Oreo.
We're making a chocolatey, nutritious lunch. You got Hershey's, all the candy you want, some cereal,
And some banana.
any kind of cereal you want. Then you mix it.
And we're done. Now we just put it in there for like.
Put another light.
With the wrapper.
I'll put one with the wrapper. Wait.
That's it.
One with the wrapper?
No. And then we put it for like 2 minutes.
A minute.
1 minute, okay?
It's gonna melt. Put it right there.
Alright, let's hold it.
It's popping.
I'm gonna check this out.
Take your boots off. Oh my god, it's going crazy in there.
It is.
Do you hear that noise? Yeah, look, it's melting.
Right there.
It's popping. It looks like chicken with rice. Look from here. Look from here.
Uh-huh. It smells bad. Oh god, I'm gonna vomit.
No, the banana. Why did we put banana?
Why did we put banana? Okay, I think that's enough.
No! Leave it. Mind I put my phone in there for a recorder? Oh, look at this. Look at
Ew.
it's going.
It looks like a heart.
Add more.
No.
It smells kind of good.
Give me a recorder from here. Doesn't that look nasty? Is it hot, John?
The top isn't hot. The inside, they're like right here is hot. Right here's not.
Okay, so John, you're gonna take the first bite of it.
No.
Yes. Take a smudge. I think they saw that, John. I'm not taking a bite out of that.
Eat this and eat it so yummy.
I dare you to taste it for real. I dare you to taste it for real, John. Oh shit, we forgot soda.
Put soda in it.
It's right there.
Hawaiian punch.
I don't think we're allowed to say that. Let me get some of that.
Give me some Nesquik.
That's not Nesquik. Oh yeah, that is. Here. Oh, you still put chocolate in there? Okay.
That's it. Let's see what else I got in the fridge.
Oh wow. Oh, sorry guys. It's still recording.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hot pepper.
Hot pepper.
Alright, so like, let's just throw this.
Hot pepper.
Oh, there's wine here.
What?
There's wine.
Wine?
Yeah.
I think that's enough.
Some pink syrup.
I
Cherry
think that's
syrup.
enough, John.
That's it.
That's it. And a cheese. No, not a cheese stick.
I put so much red syrup.
Right, and that's it. And I'm taking this.
Taking what?
Hawaiian punch.
So delish. It's turning hard.
Put it in the washing thing. It's gonna get hard. Come on.
Throw this in the garbage.
The whole plate.
Nasty. Give me a regular bag. I'm gonna throw it in the backyard. Record it. I'm gonna have my phone falls in there.
I know, right? Alright, so get a regular bag.
All this paint here.
There's paint there? Alright, so I'm gonna throw it out. Here, just
Close. Tie it.
Oh, shit that.
Tie it.
Oh, shit.
I want to check it tomorrow, see what it has inside tomorrow. See if it has worms inside tomorrow.
Right, so buy squirrels.
Wow! You saw that, guys, right?